Is the pigeon there today? What if the pigeon is not gonna laugh today either? Then I'm still gonna make a video because hey, it's Tuesday! Hey, I'm back with another episode of Anisha Talks. And if you follow me on Snapchat, you better follow me there, otherwise why am I even mentioning it? You know that I just came back from a wedding in Raipur, and you know that in all the weddings people love to click pictures, and that too in groups. And you know and I know it is not that easy to take pictures in a group because a lot of stress happens, a lot of things go wrong there, and hence you want to be part of the memory and we want to look good as well. But that doesn't happen. So here are my annoying things that happen when you want to click a picture. Here we go. And now I froze and the next cut should be coming in. Number 1, bad angle. We all know from which angles we look the best. At least we girls do. Yes, we girls get master degrees in those angles. So if we don't stand on the right side of the picture, we might not look our best. We will even go this far and exchange the position with somebody else so that the right angle of our face is exposed. Hey, do you mind if I stand where you are standing? Huh? You know my face looks better from this side. No. Number 2, freeze. We all know what happens. We are in a group, somebody tries to take a picture, we all freeze in our bestest position, give our brightest smiles, and with our eyes wide open, waiting for the clicking moment to happen. But instead, the phone is not working, there's some technical problem, or even worse, the phone died. So you end up standing there for 20 minutes in a frozen position with your eyes wide open, and even if your eyes start tearing, you won't shut them because there's too much to lose. But then you can't hold it anymore and you shut your eyes because you're a human, not a machine, and that is exactly when the camera flashes. Hi there! Number 3, Facebook uploads. And once that picture is clicked, you don't know what they're gonna do with that picture. They're most probably gonna upload it on Facebook to celebrate the reunion. But if you look terrible in it and even blinked in that picture, you don't want the entire world to see it and think you're stupid and dumb. And all you wanna do in that moment is report that picture as inappropriate because your face looks inappropriate. And I actually did that once. Don't judge me. The pigeon is back! It's back! There it is! It's still not laughing though.
Oh well, we will continue.
Number 4, the promised picture. Then there is a problem of other people clicking a picture on their phone because your phone died or you forgot at home or something. And as much as you want that picture in your photo collection, since they promised they will send it to you, we'll WhatsApp it to you. Don't worry, we'll send you via mail. I will attach the picture to my pigeon and send it to you. And you might never see that click picture ever again. It's like Leonardo DiCaprio in Titanic in his last scene in the water before he dies, where Kate knows that this will be the last time she will see him ever again. And deep inside, you know as well that your friend ain't giving you that picture ever, even if you stalk her a million times on WhatsApp. You just gotta bid goodbye to that picture. It is like the Oscar that DiCaprio never gets. Hi there! Number 5, the flash. And no, not the DC character, but the actual camera flash. Some flashes are just created to make you go blind. They're either too flashy, which makes you look like a total ghost, or even if it is too long, then there is guaranteed eyesight loss. It's like that Harry Potter spell, Petrificus Totalis. Imagine this, you and your friends are waiting for the camera guy to click a picture. He says smile and you give the best smile possible. But instead of hearing the click, you hear Petrificus Totalis. And you, my friend, have been petrified. Hi there! Number 6, double cam. You know how weird it is when 2 or more people want to click the same shot at the same time and you get confused at which camera to look at. So you end up guessing which camera could be the one and your eyes switch from one camera to the other hoping to catch the right one. But strangely, everybody knows at which camera to look at and you end up being the only person who looks at the wrong camera. Highly kabimbam. Laugh, pigeon, laugh. Number 7, photo bombers. We all know these type of people. You were in the mood of taking a picture just with your besties or with your families, but then there happens to be this one idiot who thought it would be funny to photobomb your amazing once in a lifetime picture you were just about to take. Then he doesn't only ruin the K3G portrait which took you so long to set up by jumping onto your shoulders, but also shifts you, which makes your happy face turn into a moving face, which then makes you look like a ghost. Highly bim bam. That is why I love taking selfies, because there are no hassles or problems whatsoever. Though if you try to fit in so many people into one big selfie, you end up looking like potatoes on a field. So I don't even know if that's actually the right thing to do. But anyways, I hope you like this video, and in case I have missed out any other annoying things which happen while you take pictures, please do let me know in the comment section below. And I'm off to take a few more selfies. Bye-bye! Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you liked this video, and if you did, please do give this video a thumbs up. That would make me so happy. And if you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe to my channel by clicking down here, because I make videos every Tuesdays and Fridays and you don't want to miss out on any of my videos, because अगर तुम सब करोगे सब ठीक हो जाएगा. चल बेटा सेल्फी ले ले रे ए ए ए ए ए ए ए ए ए ए. Ah, this is it. I can't shoot anymore. I'm tired. Mummy!